Hey, it's Kim. Welcome to today's video. I wanted to do a really quick video showing you the Sterling Ink subscription kit for March 2022. I had no intentions of doing this video, but I received this package late last night and I wanted to wait. Yeah, my postal service is a little crazy. Late last night, and I wanted to wait until today so that I can open it up and actually see it in daylight, and I figured this would be a good time to film it. So I'm going to film an unboxing for you. I just filmed a quick video before this. I still had some color on my cheeks, color on my lips, so I figured we might as well do this one too. So I'm going to flip the camera around and walk you through what all is in this subscription kit that Sterling Ink sent out for the month of March. If you're interested, please keep watching. Here we are. So this is the March subscription kit from Sterling Ink. I do subscribe to the full kit. Between February and March, I upgraded my kit. It was originally the combo, which sends you a combo of white matte stickers as well as transparent matte stickers. But I switched over so that I could have all transparent matte stickers, because I realized that I like the way those stickers look best on the Hobonichi or Tomoe River paper that I'm accustomed to using. And the only time that I have seen where I might like the transparent stickers, not transparent, the white stickers, would be for the day stickers, but I can get around that. But that's fine. Otherwise, I do like all of the other deco stickers, especially the washi strips. I prefer them to be transparent. Now, when you do get the transparent kit though, the washi strips or any other items in the kits that would normally be foiled cannot be foiled on the transparent sticker paper. So do keep that in mind if you're a fan of foiling. For me, it doesn't matter. I prefer to have the transparent paper over the metallic foiling. So let's get into it. And I'm always, I don't know, a little bit cautious of how I open these because they're so pretty. They're so well done. But when I first saw the freebie, and actually you got a little bit of a peek from it, I printed this out when it was released to the Sterling Ink Facebook group. It's the freebie calendar for the month of March. I printed this at, or the size that I printed it, because I use a standard traveler's notebook size. So I did print the personal size freebie at 110%. I think that's what I do. Even though I could print the A5 freebie because it is the same exact height as this, I always feel like that cuts off a bit too much of the decoration down the side, and I like to keep a lot of those colorful flowers and illustrations, as much of it as possible. So this is what the March freebie looked like, and I printed out some of the stickies for myself as well. So as soon as I saw that it was this really pretty, like light turquoise kind of color with this beautiful red orange persimmon kind of color, I would call this maybe aqua, not turquoise, but like a light aqua, the persimmon kind of color, a little bit of like a dusty rose. I just thought it was really pretty, that combination of colors. So I was very excited to see what the sub kit was going to look like for the month. And I received this early February. It is currently February 3rd. So I received it last night on the 2nd. So that was really, really fast. And the tissue paper is amazing. It's worth saving if you're into that kind of thing, which I am. I do save packaging. So here we have the larger package, which is inside, and this is the vellum. So part of the kit, you do get 2 full pages of vellum, and that's 8.5 by 11, and it's on this hard backing, of course, so it doesn't get bent or damaged. And let's see, you get 2 sheets of that, and I'll show you what this looks like on the white background. It's really pretty. It's almost like a window pane plaid kind of view, or kind of image. It almost looks like, I would say, like a window pane, kind of, almost like you're looking through faceted glass. I don't know, that sounds a bit dramatic, but that's kind of what that looks like. Really pretty. And then this is the other one, which appears to be pretty much the same. It's just not that faceted look. So it's just the overall, or the whole floral print. Very pretty. And you see a lot of those colors. I don't see much of the aqua in this, but I do see some of the blues, that dusty pink, the persimmon, the deep green. Really nice color combos. Very pretty. Yeah, and there's no aqua in that one either. So those are the full size sheets of Vellum. And then in this smaller pack, I'll take you through one by one. So in here, we have the thank you card, which normally comes. Let me pull it out. So yeah, the thank you card, and it's in that almost velvety feeling cardstock, which I actually love, with the print for the month. And it says, thank you so much for your order, Catherine, with the sterling ink contact. So that's super pretty. And then we have these small calendar stickers. I still have yet to figure out what I'm going to use these stickers for. Originally, I thought that I would put them inside of my book, like this book, just to kind of indicate which months are in the book, maybe. But I don't know. I've been hoarding all of mine. I just have January, February, and March until I figure out exactly what I want to do with them. So that's that. I'll put that up there. And then we have, I'm hoping, yeah, I think I'm in frame. Okay, and then we have, and now that I think about it, maybe I should have done this on a solid background. So I apologize if any of this you can't see very well. How about this? How about that? That's a little bit better. That's a lot better, I think, actually. So we got the thank you card, the mini calendar sticker, and then we go into the month labels for March. And then the die cut sticker. And this is a very pretty teacup. Really pretty teacup. And then this is the freebie sheet that likely goes out with all orders for the month of March. So you kind of get like a little taste of everything in the kit. And I am hoping that I have some of these stamps. Those are so pretty. So we got a little stamp, some teacups, a small strip of washi, a little envelope image there. That was the envelope. Oh, and she does send out this A6 Vellum, this A6 calendar, which is really cute. And what I've been doing is actually, I've been using those in my 5-year Hobonichi. So I think that'll be a great idea. I'll put that right in here where March begins. I also have the one for February in there. I didn't even make it permanent just yet, but you get it. I think that's what I'm going to use that for. They fit into this perfectly. I'll probably round the corners and stick that right in there. Alright, so moving on to everything else. So these would be probably called the floral elements on the site. And it's exactly what it sounds like. Floral elements. That was corny. And then these are some, also apparently it wasn't switched over to the full transparent kit, because these next few ones that I have are on the white matte paper, which is fine. So these are some more deco stickers, and these have a silver foiling on them. I'm not sure if it's picking up in the camera, but that's what that one is. And then these are some additional deco stickers with silver foiling on them as well. And then these are really pretty. So these are full box stickers that are likely compatible with the boxes in Hobonichi Cousin, I believe. I haven't used mine in that way yet, but I'm pretty sure that's what the size is. And these do have silver foiling as well. And these are really pretty. They're like frames inside of the box. And then the floral elements overlap or weave in throughout the frames. It's a really nice design. Oh, these are cute. So these are like small transparent stickers. It took me a long time to say that. So these are like small transparent stickers. These are ovals, like little ovals with flowers inside of them. These are little teacups. And then these are little strips, which are about maybe like 1.25 inches long. Really nice. Definitely very functional and useful, I would say. Oh, and here we have the day headers. Oh, so that's a good idea. So if you have some of these and your own maybe label stickers that you might want to put over top of that, that will be a good idea to kind of mimic the way these date stickers are. And you normally get, yes, enough for 4 weeks. So that's really good. And then the date dots from 1 to 31. And then we have some blanks here that you could also use for marking events or things in your calendar or whatever you desire. So that's that. And then these look like, what are they called? Not floral. Oh, these are called floral arrangements. So these are larger stickers that have a combination of different flowers together. So they're bigger than the floral elements that you would get, and they have more combinations of the flowers. And this is on transparent paper, and these are really pretty. And then we have washi strips. So I have them, so they're both on the white matte sticker paper. And this one has a white background. This one has the aqua background, light aqua background. And they both have the silver foiling. These are the washi strips. And you get on here 3 of the thinner washi strips and 2 of the thicker washi strips on each sheet. So that's really pretty and super useful. Alright, so I'm really excited about this kit. These colors are so pretty. I'm surprised that I like the combination of the aqua and the persimmon. I think I probably just like saying persimmon, but I'm surprised that I love the combination of those colors along with the dusty rose and the light sage. It's a really, really pretty combo, and I am impressed, as I seem to be every single month when I get my Sterling Ink subscription kit. I think the company does an amazing job in getting the orders out. I think Catherine does a great job in all of her designs. I would say she does an amazing job because I'm not normally a floral person. Like, I never would have said that I like florals until I was introduced to Catherine's florals. They're really pretty, and now I pretty much have them everywhere. So that's saying a lot, I would think. So this set I'm extremely pleased with and really excited to get started planning for the month of March when that time rolls around in a few weeks. We're still early February, so I got some time to think about how I want to do layouts and how I want everything to be positioned in my planner and everything. So I do encourage you, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe so that you can see how I do use this kit when it comes to planning for the month of March. I'll be sure to post some videos all about that, how I use them in my weeklies, my monthlies, and my dailies in my current planning system. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And of course, if you're interested in any of this from Sterling Ink, I'll have that link down below. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is not I'm not affiliated with them. This is not sponsored in any kind of way. It's just a product that I really do love, and I wanted to share it. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not. And I'll see you in the next one.